watch Reacher right now?
Right now? Can we watch it tonight in bed? Because that's not very appropriate. Let's watch it in bed tonight.
Yes, I'm trying to.
¿Qué quieres? Oh, the remote.
El control.
Viste, there's a little towel there. If you need one.
Thank you. Dice que si hay mosquito.
¿Hay mosquito? No way.
Cantidad. Lo que tú estás a prueba de todo, no te pican.
We can fix that.
Bigger one.
So, we're gonna eat soon?
Uh-huh. This with some sal.
I know we're gonna eat soon.
But look at that. Look how good that looks.
Mm.
And if we have leftover, I can just heat them up tomorrow, like in the air fryer. I'll heat them up in the air fryer and we can have them with like rice and beans. I don't have to cook that much. Lemon chips. You cannot have this, sir.
Papi,
Oh, como una...
You want Caesar salad, right?
I want churros.
You want churros?
Churros on a cold,
I can make churros.
on a cold night.
Oh my God, see if I get to go flying everywhere.
No, honestly though, better than churros, I want s'mores.
We don't have stuff to make s'mores.
It's called Postmates. You can close it.
Yeah, this is a part. And I'm gonna mix it. All right, dinner's done. Little man wanted leftover fried rice that his grandma made him, and a Caesar salad too. That's our dinner.
Delicious.
¿Te gusta?
papi, me gusta tu arrocito.
Ay, mi amor.
Me gusta.
Ay, mi amor, cuánto me alegro. You make me so happy, papi.
A él le encanta.
Vamos a ir. ¿Era ahora? Quedó mojadito, ¿verdad?